If you rely on your backup camera but it's on the fritz, you're in the right place. Let's get it working again. First, let's start with the basics. Check if the camera lens is clean. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe it. Sometimes dirt or water can blur the image. Next, let's ensure the display is on. Make sure your infotainment screen is set to the camera view when in reverse. If it's not, switch it manually. Now let's check the wiring. Open the back hatch and locate the camera. Inspect the cables for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find any, secure them properly. Still no luck? Try resetting the system. Turn off your car, wait a few minutes, then restart it. This can refresh the system and fix minor glitches. If the camera is still not working, it might be a software issue. Check for any available updates for your car's infotainment system. You can usually find this information in your car's settings menu. And there you have it. If none of these steps work, it may be time to visit a professional. But in many cases, these simple steps can get your backup camera up and running again. Happy driving!